had a great day at Alton Towers. We rode Nemesis twice. Last ride we've just had was insane. Doing the Nemesis VIP Reborn event, that's not how it's worded, but that's what I'm calling it. Yeah, but you'll know that because it's the title of the video. Finished now for the park. It's nearly 4 o'clock. We're going to go down and meet everyone. It's going to be really cool. Did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed it.
That was absolutely amazing. That is how you do a VIP experience. Absolutely fantastic. And now, behind the scenes of Nemesis.
I think I'm going to pop it.
I feel like it's watching us. This is really, really cool. You enjoying this?
Yeah.
The amount of detail is insane. Oh wow, that's cool.
Not the little one, go for the big one. Go on, show your whistle. Oh, okay.
This is so much heavier.
Go for a new one. Yeah, they heavier.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, the new one's heavier. What we do is we have a mixture on top of the train. These harder ones will make your train go faster, and your softer ones will make your train go slower. So on top
get
of
all
it,
those on.
yeah, if we had all that on, we'd have a few overspeed areas, maybe a few people being sick. So on top, there's a mixture of both of these to get the speed of the train just running just right.
Do you know the vibration on the
Yeah, so we're trying to find out what the vibration is. We have to have
that
a few different
something to do
timings.
with the wheels?
It could be something to do with the wheels, it could be something to do with the, now that the track is sand fill, any vibration that was once absorbed by the track is now being thrown back into the train. Or something along that line.
I have to say, this has easily been the best coaster event I've ever been to. Easily. It's just fantastic. The amount of time that you get to spend with everyone, talking about all the different things, asking 100 questions, has been brilliant. What do you think of that?
That was unbelievable. That was really cool.
For value for money, like you said, it's about 5 hours of an experience. And it's just fantastic. Everyone is so helpful, all the staff so approachable, you can ask them literally anything about the rides. Everything's under control.
I would have paid that just to go in the maintenance shed, to be honest.
Yeah, just say getting in the maintenance shed, getting to sit at the bottom of the lift hill was really cool. Meeting John Wardley and Burton and Bianca was amazing. I got both my books signed as well, John's. It's just fantastic. Yeah, I'm so glad they did this event. If any more dates come up, definitely go. You'll enjoy it. Yeah, there's not much more to say.
Great.
I had a great time.
100% recommend.
Yeah, bye. Just thought I'd do a little bit of review at the end. The Nemesis Reborn VIP experience is fantastic. I couldn't recommend it enough. The actual talks with John Wardley, John Burton and Bianca Sammut were absolutely insane. Learned a lot of information and saw a lot of photos about Nemesis that aren't publicly available that I never knew before, some of which quite shocking about what could have actually been. Obviously I won't spoil any of it in case you go to do the experience yourself, but it was absolutely fantastic. Amazing getting to talk to all the staff, learning about loads of different aspects of the ride we never knew before, getting to meet everyone, the signings, all the photos. It was absolutely fantastic. If any more dates come up, I highly recommend this event. Well worth the money for a pretty much 5-hour experience. Just absolutely fantastic. I haven't got a bad word to say about it. Really hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Loads more coming soon. I will see you in the next one.